Trigger number one,
Right.
trade wars.
Oh,
Tilbury really zeroes in on those escalating tariffs,
yeah.
especially the ones on Canadian goods.
Uh-huh.
And he makes this pretty stark comparison to the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930,
Oh, yeah.
which, of course, everyone knows contributed to the Great Depression.
Right.
So that's a little scary.
Yet what's interesting is Tilbury actually shares a personal anecdote.
Oh,
He talks about how tariffs have impacted his own business,
really?
which I
Like-
think is great because, the goal of tariffs is often, to protect domestic industries.
Right.
But the unintended consequences often hit everybody's wallets.
Oh, for sure.
He uses this great analogy. He talks about how your grocery bill could just skyrocket.
Oh, yeah, it makes it real.
It does.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
does. And, if we kind of zoom out a little bit, this protectionist approach could isolate the U.S.,
Oh, yeah.
on the global stage.
Right.
And it could push other nations to form their own alliances like we're seeing with the BRICS nations.
Mm-hmm.
Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa.
It's a powerful block.
Huge block.
Huh?
And as their influence grows, global trade could shift.
Mm-hmm.
That could impact the U.S. dollar
Right.
and ultimately your purchasing power.
Yeah, nobody wants that.
Nobody wants that.
Okay, but here's the counterpoint.
Okay.
Tilbury suggests that Trump, with his business background, might be playing this high-stakes game.
Oh, interesting.
That maybe these tariffs are actually a tactic,
Like a
a
negotiation.
way to force more favorable free trade deals.
Do you think that's possible?
Honestly, it's tough to say.
Yeah.
But what's really interesting is how Tilbury brings this back to market psychology.
Oh, okay.
This constant uncertainty, this not knowing what's going to happen next,
Right.
it really spooks investors.
Makes sense.
And when investors get nervous, markets tend to react.
Oh, yeah. Not always in a good way.